top 7 tasks for a virtual executive assistant. Number 1, inbox management. An experienced executive assistant can bring your inbox under control, bringing your emails from a time and energy consumer to an organized, delegated system. 2, calendar management. We don't just book meetings, we manage your time like it's our own, aligning your day with your most valuable work. 3, meeting prep and follow-up. From briefing docs to action items, we ensure every meeting starts and ends with clarity. 4, travel planning and logistics. Seamless, efficient, and stress-free, we handle the details so you can focus on the destination. 5, process documentation. We capture your workflows and turn them into repeatable systems for scale and delegation. 6, vendor and stakeholder coordination. We liaise with key contacts so projects move forward without bottlenecks or back and forth. 7, light project management. We track timelines, identify obstacles early, and keep the momentum going so nothing falls through the cracks. Still answering your own emails, missing meetings, or chasing follow-ups? You're the bottleneck. Let us fix that. Let's reclaim your time. Book a call with our team to learn how we can help you delegate to an experienced professional.